location. Right here is a corkscrew. We'll be throwing it off. Way down there. Alright, here we go. Stop. Did you stop?
Oh, hi there. And we're on floor, and I'm going to be throwing this airplane from the balcony. Going. It's going. It's not literally gone.
Well, it's on. Alright, I'm gonna make a crappiest airplane. Right. I got slide one.
Wait, can you give us the step-by-step?
No. It's too complicated for everybody out there.
I believe that was sarcastic.
Oh, look at that, look at that. Here we go.
Come on, if you could back it away from the
Here we go.
camera.
Whoa! Quite low. Well, that'll be it for us today. Sorry about the short episode, and see you later.